In this section 171, multiply real number. First of all, introducing the multiplication rule. Two numbers, positive is the same sign or called a like sign, multiply together positive times positive, negative times negative, the result is positive. And the value itself is the absolute value of these two numbers. That's rule number one. Rule number two, unlike sign, positive times negative or negative times positive, whatever the number is, we'll get the negative result. The value again is the absolute of these two numbers. That's the multiplication rule. Another, introducing any number multiplied by 0 or 0 multiplied by any number, the result is 0. That's universal rule. And introducing two names here, term here. When you see the 3 times 5 equal 15, two number equal another number, the 15 is called the product of these two numbers. By the way, these two numbers are called the factors of this situation, the multiplication. Next, we're going to introduce the checkpoint number 1. Checkpoint number 1. This is our page numbers. Page number 7. First example, A, 8 times negative 5. Obviously 8 is positive, negative 5 is negative. So you have one negative, one positive. Unlike sign, the result is negative, and then use 8 times 5 is 40. Simple example. Next example, B. This is fraction multiplication. The rules are still the same. 1/3 times 4, 7. Again, you see the first you decide the sign. Unlike sign, one negative, one positive. The result is negative. And then apply the multiplication rule, fraction. Numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. This seems you cannot reduce anything. And that's 4, 1 times 4, 3 times 7, 21. See, in parentheses, imply that it is a multiplication. This is multiplied in dot. You could have both parentheses, one parenthesis, one number. These are two like sign. Like sign, negative goes to negative, you get positive result. Positive result, you don't need to write the sign. Assuming to be positive. Then 12 times 3, 36. Positive 36. Next one, D. It's a decimal multiplication. Negative 1.1 times negative 5. Again, this is a like sign, so the result is positive. And then use 1.1 times 5. Use your calculator. Carefully, you should get positive 5.5. The last example, E, is a number 543. This number multiply a 0. So any number multiplied by 0 is 0. Okay, this is a relatively simple section.